Okay, we are going to take a look at what happens when people rip off air conditioners. So here are two 310 air conditioners that were in a week ago, and look what happened. One is gone, two is gone, controls are also gone. And this home is owned by Fannie Mae, and the agent and I talked, the selling agent, the listing agent. I'm the selling agent, and the conclusion was this family is going to get two brand new air conditioners, and we're going to have it in by the end of escrow, and there's going to be even a better deal about that because they're on a couple-year warranty at least, and so a lot of this going on.